Hello guys, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome back. So welcome to Textbook Regulatory Bodies. So guys, in this particular session, we are going to discuss the eligibility criteria for SEBI Grade A examination. All right. So there are so many candidates having queries like the qualification related things, age related things, as well as आपका कि can we apply for two or more posts and other also. ठीक है. So I'm going to answer all these particular queries in this session, right? So we have already short notification with us, ठीक है? And this time we have very good number of vacancies also. 102 vacancies are there, and for general post we are having your 56 vacancies, and for legal as well we are having very good number of vacancies, right? So now your form filling will start from the 30th of October itself, and you'll see the detailed notification. One question जो सबसे ज्यादा मुझे देखने के लिए मिला है, I got so many comments for this particular one regarding the कि can we apply for multiple post आपका, ठीक है? So as per the current notification, as is अभी short notification आपका release किया गया है, ठीक है? And the answer is yes, ठीक है? So as per the past experiences आपका 22 and 24, I took this particular one from the 2024 notification itself, ठीक है? So answer is yes, you can apply for two stream, ठीक है? So mostly like let's say if you go for the journal, so you, and if you are eligible for the legal stream also, so you can apply for that particular one, ठीक है? तो पहले क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपका कैंडिडेट आर परमिटेड टू अप्लाई मैक्सिमम टू स्ट्रीम आपका, ठीक है? So any two stream you can opt out, ठीक है? So this is completely subject matter of your eligibility. So जो भी आपके मास्टर्स डिग्री है, if you are having that particular one, so that is आपका eligible, ठीक है? That means like if you have done masters in law, so आपका you will be automatically eligible for your आपका जनरल पोस्ट also, ठीक है? तो ये क्वेश्चन सबसे ज्यादा मेरे को जो अभी टेलीग्राम पे या फिर लास्ट वीडियो के जो कमेंट्स में भी आपका था, ठीक है? सो कैंडिडेट आर परमिटेड टू अप्लाई for maximum to a stream only for which he or she is eligible to apply as per the educational qualification, and for both the different posts you have to fill the different form. Separate online form application for each stream will have to be submitted, and request fee also that will be required in case of candidate apply more than one in a single stream, and apply for more than two stream, ठीक है? Only the last application shall be considered, ठीक है? This is a very important point. Let's say you have applied for journal, then again you have applied for the journal, ठीक है? Sometime what happen कि अगर कुछ ऐसा डेट या अदर्स गलत होगा, ठीक है? Then next time you have applied for the आपका लीगल, तो लास्ट टू, ठीक है? जर्नल एंड लीगल, और फर्स्ट यू हैव अप्लाइड फॉर लीगल, देन जर्नल अदर्स ऐसा कुछ भी केस होगा, द ओनली जर्नल टू मींस यू विल बी एलिजिबल फॉर ओनली वन एग्जामिनेशन. प्लीज डू रिमेंबर दिस पर्टिकुलर वन. So I hope this is solved. Now when it comes to the eligibility criteria, ठीक है? So for the different post, so this is the list, and this is from the 2025 short notification itself. So when it comes to general post आपका, ठीक है? We have general stream, we have 56 vacancies, and we required master degree, ठीक है? So master degree और post graduation आपका minimum 2 years ड्यूरेशन इन एनी डिसिप्लिन, ठीक है? तो बिल्कुल क्लियर कट है आपका. इफ यू हैव डन मास्टर्स और आपका पीजी इन एनी डिसिप्लिन, सो यू आर एलिजिबल फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर फ्रॉम एनी रिकॉग्नाइज्ड यूनिवर्सिटी, ठीक है? और आपका बैचलर डिग्री इन लॉ और बैचलर डिग्री इन इंजीनियरिंग फ्रॉम रिकॉग्नाइज्ड यूनिवर्सिटी. और आपका देखो, अब दोज हु आर गोइंग फॉर द लॉ, so this is the kind one, but here आपका experiences will get added in this particular one, ठीक है? So chartered accountant, and we have CFA, company secretary, and cost accounting, ठीक है? So they all are basically eligible for the general post. Legal post आपका, ठीक है? Mandatory educational qualification आपका basically that is bachelor degree in law plus desirable experience. This is desirable experience, ठीक है? 2 year post qualification experience as an advocate, including as an associate in an advocate or solicitor office or law, after being enrolled under the Advocate Act 1961, ठीक है? Shall be desirable qualification for this one. IT, if you are going for IT, this time we have very good vacancies in IT also, ठीक है? So bachelor degree in engineering here. So now this is the one, ठीक है? If you have done BTech आपका in IT, so you are eligible for this particular one, ठीक है? Then bachelor degree in any discipline with the post graduation minimum 2 years duration or a computer science and others. ठीक है, sometime what happen, candidate they generally do the आपका that PGDCA and other those kind of things. ठीक है, so bachelor plus PGDCA will be required in this particular cases. ठीक है, रिसर्च आपका फोर पोस्ट, ठीक है, मास्टर डिग्री, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन डिप्लोमा, मिनिमम 2 years इन इकोनॉमिक्स, कॉमर्स, बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, आपका इकोनोमेट्रिक्स, क्वांटिटेटिव इकोनॉमिक्स एंड अदर्स, ठीक है, और मास्टर डिग्री इन और पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन डिप्लोमा इन फाइनेंस एंड अदर दीज एरियाज, और आपका डिप्लोमा इन दैट स्टैट इन मैथमेटिक्स एंड अदर्स एरियाज. ठीक है, so apart from this we have official languages 3, master degree in Hindi, Hindi translation with English as a subject at the bachelor degree level, or master degree in Sanskrit, English, economics, commerce with Hindi as a subject in a bachelor degree. ठीक है, so let's say if you want to apply for the official language, you should have master degree in Sanskrit or English or economics or commerce also. ठीक है, with Hindi as a subject in that particular one. ठीक है, like we have let's say 4 course subject, उसमें से एक आपका हिंदी should be mandatory, right? Engineering आपका electronics, so आपका basically when it comes to qualification degree, bachelor degree in electrical engineering from the recognized university and experience, and civil engineering आपका again same civil engineering bachelor degree plus this आपका. ठीक है, so this is the educational qualification which we required. And you if you are preparing for आपका journal and legal stream, we will be helping you with the crash course. Our crash course is already live, so you can check the description आपका, so the link is already given in the description box. ठीक है, so apart from this आपका guys, now when it comes to the age criteria, ठीक है, rest आपका like reservation and other things are same. Here is आपका will be given belonging to OBC and others as per the applicable laws. Age limit आपका, ठीक है, a candidate must not have exceed age of 30 years. ठीक है, maximum आपका 30 years, and minimum candidate must have been born on or after आपका 1995. ठीक है, relaxation is age is आपका given as per the applicable laws itself. ठीक है, mode of selection आपका, so it is 3 phases. Your application will be आपका accepted in online form. Phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 means phase 1 and phase 2 आपका basically online, and phase 3 is your interview आपका. Phase 1 an online examination, 2 papers are there. ठीक है, paper 1 and paper 2. Then we have paper 2 is all about the commerce, accountancy, or the economics, आपका finance and others. We have done one video regarding that particular one also, so you can check that one. ठीक है, candidates shortlisted for phase 1 will appear in the phase 2, which will also be the online mode आपका. ठीक है, so 2 papers again, one is English descriptive in case of journal post. ठीक है, another one is again same आपका subject which will be part of your phase 2 examination again in MCQ form आपका. ठीक है, phase 1 will be phase 2 candidate will definitely separately get the your admit card also. ठीक है, so this is all about the eligibility criteria. I hope you get answer for your all queries. Still, apart from this also, if you are having any doubt, so you can ask your queries. You can mention your queries into the comment section. And if you, let's see, there are lots of regulatory bodies examination are going on. RBI is already going on. Now, soon you will see the notification for AIRDA, Assistant Manager, as well as NABARD Grade A. ठीक है, so and आपका SEBI एक और आपके पास option है. ठीक है, then NHB you will get. So if you want to prepare for these particular examinations, so you can go with our regulatory body super pack. ठीक है, and you can use where you will get access to each and every with the notification itself we come up with the batches. ठीक है, like let's say for SEBI we have already live with the batch. ठीक है, so SEBI Grade A, IT and आपका journal and legal course is already live. ठीक है, so you can access to those particular, those are already part of the super pack. They'll get full access to all these particular batches. All right, apart from this you can also join our free master classes on our applications. Okay? So here you can see the timing also for all these for all these subject aapka, and the different timing also, right? So this is it from my side, guys. Thank you for joining this session. Hope you got answers for your all queries related to eligibility. Still, if you are having any doubt, please do mention into the comment section. And if you are having any queries related to your SEBI grade examination, do mention. So we will be definitely covering those particular queries also in our upcoming videos. All right. So wish you all the very best for your preparation, guys. See you in the classes. Thank you.